Right, I've been wanting to try pinching on my transmitter sticks rather than thumbing. You're supposed to have a lot more control over your stick movements, but I haven't got around to doing it, so that's what I'm going to try and do today. It's a little bit windy out today, but it shouldn't cause too much of an issue. As long as it's not raining, I am happy. Right, let's get set up. I've got the Session 5 body cam, so I can record my sticks. I normally don't use the Session 5, but I'm using all my other GoPros at the moment, so this will have to do. So do I do it like that? Yeah. Here we go. Right, after that first flight, I think I need to bump up my rates more, because my rates are based on thumbing and they are way too low, because I can't really get to the edge of the sticks when I'm pinching. The transmitter is too big, so I'm going to try and turning them up a bit. I don't know what to, probably about 100 points or so on rate. And we'll see how that goes first. Right. Very difficult. I am not used to pinching at all. I'll get used to this throttle control now. Flowers. I can see why people do pinch, I really can. You've got so much more control over it. A smaller resolution. Yeah, makes a lot of sense. I just don't know if I'm going to get used to this. Right, so after testing that out with higher rates, I don't know, I'm on the fence about pinching. I can see why it would be good to learn how to do it instead of thumbing, but I don't know. I might give it a go some more later, or you know, when I'm not doing something else, but as for now I think I'm just going to stick with thumbing because I'm so used to it now. So right, I'm going to go fly some normal batteries. Until next time guys.